So first I'll ask Hawthorne, listen carefully, what is the 16th letter of the alphabet?
P.
Correct. Rowan, what position, and I need an ordinal number, what position is the letter K in the alphabet? What's the answer?
It's the 11.
11, correct. Hawthorne, 9 groups of 10 and 12 ones are equal to? 9 groups of 10 and 12 ones are equal to?
102. 102.
Correct. Rowan, how many groups of 100 are in 2075? How many groups of 100 are in 2075? I can remember, you can say it.
2.
Incorrect is 0, I'm afraid. Hawthorne, this is a probability question. I have 8 yellow beads, 6 blue beads, and 3 red beads in a bag. How many chances do I have to choose a blue bead? So I have 8 yellow beads, 6 blue beads, and 3 red beads in a bag. How many chances do I have to choose a blue bead?
Do you have to give a fraction?
Just give a number. Or if you wish, you give a fraction if you think it's a fraction. So I have 8 yellow beads, 6 blue beads, 3 red beads in a bag. How many chances do I have to choose a blue bead?
How do you see? There's 6 blue beads. Should we just say this? Or should we say this?
Come on, you need to give an answer.
6 over 17. 6 over 10.
Well, yeah, it's 6, but you did 6 over the total. I give it to you. Okay? Rowan, I have 9 yellow beads, 3 blue beads, and 1 red bead in a bag. How many chances do I have to choose a yellow bead? So I have 9 yellow beads, 3 blue beads, and 1 red bead in a bag. How many chances do I have to choose a yellow bead? Come on.
9, 13, 9.
Correct. Hawthorne, what instrument is used to measure speed? Speed. What instrument is used to measure speed?
Wait, is it? Listen. Do we want to say the additional miles per hour?
What instrument? You need to listen carefully. I pass the question to Rowan class. Can I get an answer, please?
I'm working. Stop.
Speedometer.
Oh, yeah.
Back to you, Rowan class. What specific unit is used to measure the distance from your home to school?
Is it on
What specific unit of measurement is used to measure the distance from your home to school? And answer in 3 seconds, please.
Miles. Miles.
I'll give Hawthorne a chance to answer.
Kilometers.
Correct. Hawthorne, round off 257 to the nearest 100. 257 to the nearest 100.
300.
Correct. Rowan, round off 81 to the nearest 10.
80.
Correct. Hawthorne, how many years are in 36 months? Correct. Rowan, how many months are in 5 years?
60.
Correct. Hawthorne, how many kilometers are in 6,000 meters?
6.
Correct. Rowan, 50 meters is equal to how many centimeters? 50 meters. How many centimeters? Correct. Hawthorne, if n equals 14, what is the value of n plus 16? N equals 14, what's the value of n plus 16?
30.
Correct. Rowan, if n equals 23, what is the value of n subtract 7?
60.
Correct. Hawthorne, which number would come next in this series? 3, 6, 9, 12. What number would come
15.
next? Correct. Rowan, which number would come next in this series? 8, 16, 24.
32.
Correct. Hawthorne, add together 143 and 115.
15.
15. 143, 115.
258.
Correct. Rowan, add together 49 and 11.
60.
Correct. Hawthorne, how much is 9 less than 39? 9 less than 39?
30.
Correct. Rowan, how much is 7 more than 68? 7 more than 68.
75.
Correct. Hawthorne, which fraction is the greatest? 2 sevenths, 2 ninths, 2 eighths. Which of them is the greatest?
2 sevenths.
2 sevenths, correct. Rowan, which fraction is the least? 2 eighths, 2 sixths, or 2 fifths?
2 eighths.
Correct. Hawthorne, if y plus 17 equals 29, what is the value of y? If y plus 17 equals 29, what is the value of y?
12.
Correct. Rowan, If 45 subtract y equals 15, what is the value of y? (45) subtract y equals 15. What's the value of y?
30.
Correct. Hawthorne. What is the value of 8,000 plus 70 plus 70? Sorry, 8,000 plus 70 plus 8.
8,078.
Correct. Rowan, what's the value of 7,000 plus 10 plus 8?
7,080.
Correct. Hawthorne, what is the value of 9 in 1,796? What is the value of 9 in 1,796?
90.
Correct. Rowan, what is the place value? What is the place value of 6 in the number 3,567?
6 tens.
Correct. Hawthorne, what is half of 42?
21.
Correct. Rowan, what is a quarter of 64?
16.
Correct. Listen carefully, Hawthorne. Ryan has 120 apples. If he shares them among his 3 friends, how many will each get?
40.
Correct. Rowan, Susan shares all her apples among her 4 friends so that each of them would get 8. How many apples did she have altogether?
32.
Correct. Hawthorne, Rick has 90 pounds. How much is half of this?
45 pounds.
Correct. Rowan, Mary has 35 pounds. How much is 2 times this amount?
70 pounds. 70 pounds.
Correct. Which is longer, Hawthorne? Is it 2 kilometers or 200 centimeters?
2 kilometers.
Correct. Rowan, which is heavier? Is it 500 grams or 500 kilograms?
500 kilograms.
Correct. Hawthorne, what is the numerator of this fraction? 7/8. What's the numerator?
7.
Correct. Rowan, what is the denominator of this fraction? 8 ninths.
9.
Correct. That's the end of section 1. Can you give them a round of applause? So at the end of section 1, Hawthorne, you're on 20 points, and Rowan, you're on 18. Now we go into the nail-biting buzzer section. Which of these is an odd number? 14, 35, 44. Rowan class.
35.
Correct. Alan left home at 6:15 and arrived at school at 8:25. How long did it take him to get to school? Hawthorne.
2 hours and 5 minutes. 2 hours 10 minutes.
The wrong answer came first, I'm afraid. How many groups of 4 are in 52? Hawthorne. Correct. What is 28 plus 23? Rowan class?
51.
Correct. What is the difference between 45 and 11? Rowan class?
34.
Correct. What is the value of 7 in 678?
7 pence.
Yes. Yes, it's correct. I can give you that to you. Listen carefully. What is my change from 100 pounds if I buy a cake for 23 pounds and a juice for 30?
Sorry,
I can't repeat, I'm afraid. Somebody must have the key numbers that I just
How
said.
much was the juice? How much was the juice? She can't say.
I can't say, I'm afraid. Once you press the buzzer, I have to stop asking. Can I get an answer in 5?
70.
Incorrect. It's 47. If I'm counting by 12, which number would come after 72?
84.
Correct. What is the product of 7 and 5? Rowan?
35.
Correct. Right, so listen carefully, both teams. When these numbers are arranged in order from the least to the highest, which number would appear in the middle? Listen to the numbers: 654, 431, 112. Hawthorne?
231.
Correct. If I buy a bed for 445 pounds and a table for 215 pounds, how much money did I spend? Rowan?
£660.
Correct.
They just did it.
When I'm counting by 4, which number would come next in the series? 12, 16, 20.
24.
I'm afraid they pressed the buzzer first. Okay?
24.
Correct. How much is 7 more than 82?
89.
Correct. How many ninths are in a whole? Hawthorne?
9.
Correct. 11 groups of 11 is equal to?
121.
Correct. What is the first whole number? Hawthorne? Incorrect, 0. Which of these fractions is improper? Is it 5/9 or 7/2? Rowan?
7.
Correct. How many groups of 10 are in 102? Hawthorne?
10.
Correct. How many minutes are in 2.5 hours? Hawthorne?
150 minutes.
Correct. What is the value of 5/9 subtract? You have to provide an answer, please. In 5. Time. Answer. 1/9. So it's 5/9 subtract 4 nines. You nearly got it. And the last question. Y plus 6 equals 22. What is the value of y? Hawthorne. Correct. And that's the end of School Challenge Quiz. Clap yourselves, Hawthorne and Ron.